In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add password protection to a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. If you share contracts, reports, or any sensitive document, adding a password is a quick way to control who can open it or make changes. Here's how to do it clearly and safely. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and load the PDF you want to protect. This is the full desktop application from Adobe, not just a previewer. With your document open, look toward the top of the window and choose Tools. In the Tools Center, find Protect a PDF, sometimes labeled simply Protect, and click it. This switches your workspace to the protection tools. In the panel on the left, select Protect with Password. Acrobat now asks what kind of protection you want. You have two choices. Viewing requires a password before the document can even be opened. Choose this when the entire content is confidential and you only want authorized people to see it. Editing or permissions keeps the file readable but blocks printing, editing, and copying unless the permissions password is provided. Use this when the document can be viewed broadly, but you want to prevent changes or extraction. Keep in mind that permissions rely on the PDF standard. Reputable viewers honor them, but some lightweight viewers may not. Once you've chosen the type the password you want to use, then retype it to confirm. Aim for a strong passphrase that's easy for you to remember and hard to guess. Ideally, a few unrelated words with numbers or symbols. Avoid personal details, and remember that passwords are case-sensitive. There is no recovery if you forget it, so store it in a secure password manager if needed. When you're satisfied, click Apply or OK. Acrobat applies the protection to the open file. To make it permanent, save the document. You can use Save to overwrite the current file, or Save As to create a protected copy while keeping an original unprotected version for your records. The protection takes effect upon saving, and anyone opening a viewing protected file will be prompted for the password, while permissions protected files will open normally but restrict actions you blocked. That's all you need to add password protection in Adobe Acrobat. You've chosen the right protection type, set a strong password, applied it, and saved your changes. Thanks for watching, and keep your PDFs secure with clear, consistent protection.